In this video, you'll learn how to swap JEFE token to USDT on Trust Wallet. By following these steps, you will successfully exchange your tokens within the application. Start by opening the Trust Wallet application on your device. If you are not logged in, you will need to enter your credentials to access your wallet. Once you are on the main screen of the app, you will see your wallet balance and a list of your assets. Next, locate and tap on the swap option. This can typically be found in the main menu of the app. After selecting swap, you will be directed to a new screen where you can choose the tokens you wish to exchange. On the swap screen, you will see a section labeled From. Tap on this section to specify the token you want to swap. A list will appear, allowing you to select the token you currently hold. It is important to ensure that you have JEFE tokens in your wallet before proceeding. After tapping on From, select JEFE token from the list of available tokens. This action will confirm the token you wish to swap. Once selected, the app will display the amount of JEFE you have available for swapping. Now proceed to the tow section. Tap on this area to choose the token you want to receive in exchange for your JEFE tokens. Here, you will need to search for USDT. Click on the search bar and type in USDT. Once USDT appears in the search results, tap on it to confirm your selection. At this point, the app will show you the current exchange rate along with the amount of USDT you will receive for your JEFE tokens. Before finalizing the swap, review the details shown on the screen. If everything looks correct, tap on the swap button to initiate the transaction. The app may take a moment to process your request, so please be patient while it completes the swap. After the transaction is completed, you will receive a confirmation message indicating the swap was successful. You can now return to your wallet to see the updated balance of USDT reflecting the newly acquired tokens. It's important to note that transaction times may vary based on network conditions and your internet speed. Additionally, ensure you have sufficient storage on your device for the Trust Wallet app to function properly. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.